How to create GUI. Select the Components tab, and import the graphic library. If graphic library is not displayed in the list of components, click Download More Software Components, and download it. If the required components have not been imported, an error or warning will occur, so please add the required components. Set the I2C channel used by the GUI drawing tool. Select RSI RX from the component and change the setting of the channel to be used to supported. If the board was already selected when creating the project, pins for use with the channel is set automatically. Once click the Generate Code button to generate the code, installing the GUI drawing tool driver will be changed to added state. Click the Info Setting button to open the Settings dialog, and make settings for GUI drawing tool. Click Generate File button to output header file that reflects the settings of the GUI drawing tool. Click the Settings button and install the GUI drawing tool. Launch the GUI drawing tool and create a GUI. After creating a GUI, export source code. Click the Copy to the Clipboard button in the Show Sample Code dialog, and embed the copied code into main function. Build a project. Open the Debugger tab of Debug Configuration and make debugger settings. Click the Debug button to start connection to the target. The created GUI will be displayed on the LCD.